Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my garden. Today we are going to be winter sowing some tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Okay, now there are definitely a lot of ways to winter sow these three things, and this is just what I did. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a jump start on germinating these seedlings. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some paper towels and I'm going to fold them up and sprinkle some seeds in the paper towels, and I'm going to get that paper towel nice and wet. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to put that Ziploc bag on my heating mat for about a week to 2 weeks. This will make the seeds begin to germinate. Don't leave your heating mat unattended. Make sure you read all the stuff on the heating mat. Be safe. Safety, 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 right? I know. Anyway, once those seeds have started to germinate, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put the seeds into the 2-liter bottles and set them outside. You can cover them up with a little bit of soil if you want. That's fine too. I usually don't. Maybe you should. I think maybe it'll work a little bit better, but both ways work decently well. They work for me at least. Anyhow, just prepare your bottle as normal. Make sure there's good drainage holes in the bottom. Use a potting soil mix that's been dampened, and put the tape around it, put it outside. Now, since these are very tender to frost and cold, we want to give these some special treatment. So obviously don't sow these too early. I did mine about mid-February. They're still out in the yard right now doing great. In March, when I'm recording this, they're doing absolutely great. If it is going to get cold, you want to make sure that you are covering your containers with a frost blanket or an old sheet or plastic sheeting, anything like that. And if all else fails and you're worried about it, you can always just take them inside the house and make sure they're safe for the night, and then take them back outside when the temperatures go back up and it's a nice sunny day. This really does have a little bit of trial and error involved, but I think it works really, really well. It definitely saves money and time and space in the house. If you don't want to pre-start the seeds, you can just sow the seeds in the bottles and set them outside. That works too, but you're going to have to wait a little bit longer to see the results. Depending on your climate, I mean, you're still going to have seedlings to plant out in the garden, and for me, my season's long enough. I don't really even have to worry about getting the jump start. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to try to answer them as best as I can. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. I'm making new videos on the regular, trying to be every day. Not quite sure if we'll make every day, but I'd really love to get to 10,000 subscribers for the end of the year. So share with your friends. Tell people about it if you want. That's really about it. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.